Okay, hi there. Hagbayon channel here, and we are here at one of our farms, and we expect to be able to uh, earn a little from our coco land here. We'll be making some copras, or okay, and we'll be harvesting coconuts, and yes, of course, making some copra. Uh, Here's my equipment for today's vlog and today's farm work. It is a waterproof backpack. So that's the brand. As you can see, the place is teeming with the water, fresh water at that. Although we're also quite near salt water, we're also quite near the sea. It's just a blessing that here in our farm there is this natural source of water, which makes this a really nice place for farming and of course survival skills. And soon enough we will be camping here. I have made a blog about this place earlier, but since we are here anyway, so we better vlog about this spot again. This is a balete tree. Something makeshift, could be something bushcraft, alright, and could be a place for cooking or for making copras, but I doubt it. But could very well be a kind of a shelter, right? Something we just encountered here at the trail. We are in the middle of a kind of a natural enclosure, perhaps made by some natural calamity. Apparently this balete tree was felled by one of the typhoons that hit this particular region.